If you are wondering if you can open apps in pop-up view or floating windows on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then the answer is unfortunately no. And unfortunately, this is the case for pretty much every Pixel 10 model. In the past, you could go through developer options and actually enable the option that allows you to use pop-up view. However, right now, if you try to find the option, you won't be able to find it without developer options, and even with developer options, you won't be able to find it. So just to prove it to you, of course, we can go to System Settings and open Developer Options. And usually the name of that feature that we could enable in Developer Options was called Freeform Windows or something similar to that. But as you can see, it is nothing in here. And even if we scroll down somewhere to the part where we usually could find this option, we cannot find nothing like that either. So unfortunately, it seems that we can no longer open apps in the pop-up view. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.